As part of vSAN 7.0 Update 1, we have a couple of really small features, or at least from a UI perspective, small features which can be very valuable. One of the first features that I want to mention is compression only. So if you now go to vSAN services and click on edit for space efficiency, you all of a sudden see an option called compression only, and of course there's also an option for deduplication and compression. Compression only can be very valuable for those workloads that don't necessarily deduplicate well. So you can only focus on the compression aspect of things. The other thing that I wanted to mention is that we added a new way of reserving capacity for your environment. So you don't necessarily need to reserve 25-30% of capacity. By default, you now have this option called operations reserve, and potentially you can do a host build reserve as well and automatically have vSAN reserving capacity for you. That makes life a lot easier from an operational perspective because it basically means you don't need to manually monitor your environment any longer. And I think that is something that the majority of you will truly appreciate. So make sure to upgrade to vSAN 7.0 Update 1.